Hello friends, my name is Arav and today I'm going to teach you about the basics of Tinkercad and its interface. So what is Tinkercad? So basically Tinkercad is just a website which can be used to create 3D designs, circuits and it can be used for block-based coding. So let's start. We are gonna open tinkercad.com. Now this is the home page. It will come like this loading and then it's like this. So you can make thousands of things here. So first, we are going to basically start with just making some square and some shapes, putting them. So if you have an account, you can sign in with your account. Or if you don't have, you can click on Join Tinkercad, then create a personal account, sign in with Google, or you can even enter your email or sign in with Apple. Next, with my Google account, I'll sign in to Tinkercad. After signing in, I will get this page and on this page I can create project. So I had already created a project in which I have created nothing. So let's start. I'm going to click on Tinker this and then I'm going to drag some shapes. So these are the basic shapes and before that let's clean it. So we are going to do basic shapes. These are the basic shapes. So let me introduce you to all of them. This is a square which is transparent. So this is used for cutting an object. This is the same thing but a cylindrical shape. And this is the colored version of them. This is a sphere. This is scribble. So if you click on this, you get a workspace and you can create whatever you want. This is a pyramid, kind of a roof. This is a cone. This is semicircle. This is a text. You can add any text. This is a wedge. Then this is like a pyramid. This is semicircle, half sphere, and this is a polygon. You can create it in any shape. You get options here. So let me show you. You have options here. How many sides do you want? 5, 4, 3, and 3 is the minimum. So you can even keep it to other sides. 6, 7, 8, like that. And you can press delete to or backspace to remove it. This is the pyramid, half polygon. Then this is paraboloid. This is kind of a different shape, but it's a pyramid with all the corners rounded and the top also. This is kind of a donut. This is same. This was the kind of its edges were rounded, and this is like a solid donut. You kind of this is heart, star. This is star, yeah, this is also a star. This is icosahedron, and I don't know what that is. This is a ring, this is a dice, and this is a diamond, I guess. Yes. This is a dice, you can create numbers on this. So now, let's put a basic shape square. Now, we can, if you scroll up, it goes out, and if you scroll backwards, like if you scroll down, it zooms in, and if you scroll upwards it zooms out. Now if you click control and then move it with one hand, you can move it like this, and same thing you can do it with double clicks. So now let me explain what all the point is for. Now this top triangle you see here, this is for rising the shape above this blue ground level. So I can rise it up. So this is above 40. I don't know which unit is it talking about, but just it shows the number, this is 40. So I can get it back to 0, and this is on the ground level. I put it down and it is below this, and I put it back up. Now this is on. So you see this top one, this is for increasing the height. Now you see this all the four corners, It's used for increasing the width or length. So you can do it like this or this. Now the same thing is with this and this. Now the black dots you see over here are for moving in one dimension. So if you click this one and pull it, it will extend in this direction only. So you can get it here. Then if you go beyond this, the shape will get inverted. Same thing is with this. If you pull this, it will be like this. If you pull this, it will be like this. In this, we could control two dimensions. One is this and one is this. But here we can only control the up and down one. We can't control the left and right. Now, we understood this shape. The same is with all others. Now, let me explain you this. So you can choose any color from here, or you can even keep it transparent. And if you choose transparent red, it kind of looks like transparent, but kinda in red color. Now, if you don't choose transparent and choose some other color like pink, or I choose dark blue and I choose transparent, this looks like kinda dark blue transparent. Now, let's get back to red. You can even choose white. Okay, back to red. This is whole, and it's the same thing as this box you see here. So let it be to solid because we have another part. Now, what's the radius? Let's check what will happen if we increase the radius. Wow, the corners get rounded. So in some places you need kind of bit rounded corners, don't you? So if you notice this nicely, let me give it a bit shape, shall we? This much. Now you see this, this looks like a bed, right? Such a cool bed. You can just put some sheet on this and it looks like a bed with a sheet. Now what is steps? I don't get what is steps. Every time I try to find it. Oh, it's this. The corners. The corners are the step. How much rounded it should be. Okay, so let the step be maximum. Length, you all know length. Oh my god. What was that? That was tremendous, wasn't it? Okay, this was a bed. This is width and this is height. I'm not gonna increase any one of them because then it's gonna be a great. I know what I'm saying. What's okay? So now let's make a hole into this, and I will keep it here. You can increase this height as much as you want, but it will cut only this much part. So now I do this. Now I can't put it exactly in the center, can I? No, right? This is still not in the center. So Tinkercad has made this easy for you. What can you do is select this shape and press the shift key and then select this shape also. Or you can even drag over like this with a single hand. It will select both the shapes. Now this you see is the align tool. You click this and then you want to align it in the center. By this also the center, and this also is the center. Then I guess pretty much it is in the center. Yes, it is in the center. Perfect. Right? So like this, you can align any shape. Now, not only center, you can align them here if you want it in the extreme corner or in this extreme or this or this. But I want it in the center to be a perfect cut. You can even increase this, the height. Now, if we want to cut the shape from between or we want to merge two shapes, how can we do that? Just select this all. So now click on this. If there's a hole in your shape, it creates a hole in the center. So you see this? This is so good. But I'll do undo. And now, what if I make this transparent of green color? and now I group them. So this won't practically create a hole because that's not a whole transparent color, but it will keep them of the same color. Still, you want them of the different color, just go to this and select multicolor. But multicolor option will only be available if you have merged two shapes. So now I get a cylinder and I say that I want it to be multicolor. I won't be able to see the multicolor option because I have not merged any shape. Now let us do this. This is 66. Let's make this 66 either. Shall we? 66. It's the same. Now again, I'm not gonna do any work. Tinkercad just makes this easy for me. Select this all, align, all in the center, center, that's down. Ta-da! Now I wish I would make this circle a bit more tall, shall we? Because it should be visible. Shouldn't it be? Align. Again, I'll align it in the center. Now guys, I wanted to tell you one more function. Here, you select this. Before, when we did not group any shape, this was disabled. You can rewind the video and check it. This was disabled because we did not group. But now I click this. What happens is this green rectangle and the red rectangle kind of radiate will get ungrouped, so you can move them. But if you now move them, they will both move together. If I move the green one, red will also move because they both are grouped. But orange is still alone because we did not group it until now. So I'm gonna align it again. I disturbed it quickly. It's aligned. Now let's put this on. Now once you have made it multicolor, then you group how many ever shapes you want. It will still be multicolor. So now I grouped the orange cylinder and it did not make all of them red because before only I made it multicolor red and green. So it won't change that. Now you see that's pretty cool, right? Orange on the top, then green in the center, red, green in the up and down and red in the center. How did I explain that? Now if I want to ungroup all of them, I will click on the ungroup after selecting them all and they all are different. I move the orange, I move the green. Why is this not? Oh, if you click ungroup, the last group will be ungrouped. So you have to click on group once more, and then I move the green. Why is red moving? Oh, I want this to be ungrouped. Ungroup, yes, ungroup. Now this is ungrouped. I can do whatever I want. So this is Tinkercad 3D shapes. So you can create whatever you want from your imagination. So I would like to show you a few projects which I created. Oh, why did I delete them? I should not. Okay, leave it. We'll do it next time. I'll log out and log into my another account. In that account, I've created a lots of projects. I even created a 1 BHK house. You know, that's super duper cool. And you can try so. You can even create this bird. I like this bird a lot. You can create this. This is only made of torus. I showed you, right? That a circular donut, not the one which was orange color, the blue color. He made this only by this. So he like made the feathers by that. That's pretty cool. He like stretched it so much it became like this. He added multiple toruses over here and he did torus. You can see these holes in between. But he covered them. He covered them pretty good. So like that. The Tinker Dragon. He actually looks like a Tinker Dragon. He has done a lot of work. Now I'll sign in with Google because I've already created an account. Then only I'm able to create projects. I'll sign in with my. I guess I didn't log in that account in here. Did I? No. Here also I made some projects. I guess. Then what did I make in circuits? I didn't make anything. Code blocks. I made nothing. Wait, I'll have to log into the account. I can't leave this video without showing you that. That was super good. And that was my school account. Let's sign in. Sign in with Google. use another account. Now this is this one. Next, next. Now guys, you're gonna get a big surprise because I made so many of you. Yes, you see that. I made a school bus recently, a month ago. Let them all load. I made a 1 BHK house, a chariot with two horses, and the launch vehicle rocket. I forgot which model did I make. Then I made friendship day cake, a garden, party glasses, Captain America shield. That was pretty cool. I made a cup. It's the same cup I made in my last account. A rocket. Then I made a Eiffel Tower. Also, I guess the spelling is wrong for Eiffel. I made an India flag. Then a plain top, like you know that lattu in Hindi you say that lattu, that plain top. In my easy house, it was very easy. I just put a roof, that green color triangle, and I put a red color square, and I made holes with the window. That's it. Easy house. Then I made a number dice. Number dice meaning on that number was written 654. Dice with a dot. So normally what dice comes like you see the six sided and on all the side there will be dots of numbers like one dot, two dots, three dots, like that. I made a spanner, spanner to fix screws. I made a design spanner. This one made a keychain ring with lettering that I know. That was pretty cool. Why is it loading? I mean, why isn't it loading? I made 7 segment numbers in circuits, automatic light on off, copy of keep and club. Let this load for some time. We wait for some time this will load. And it's pretty cool, I'm telling you. And yeah, here I want to tell you this collection. Collection you can add it for this. So that is this. I made a school bus, 1 BHK house, then launch vehicle rocket. This is GSLV, yeah. I remember GSLV MK3. Yes, here it's written in the center. And I wrote India one side over here and ISRO on this, and India flag on the top. Captain America shield, it's so cool. You saw garden, friendship details, and 1 BHK house. You should see that. You know, view in 3D. You can view it 3D like this only. Now, I'll show you how I made it. This house was pretty cool. I liked it a lot. And this is originally made by me. You know what? This is so cool. You just oh wait, let it not even really. Why is it? Oh yeah, I get it at last. Oh, I'm zooming in too much. Yes, so this was the house, and just now I showed you how can you make a square circular. So I used the same thing here. The bed, the pillows were also you done the same. The whole bed I made this. Let me turn it a bit towards the bed, surely. Then I made a stair for the person to get down off his bed. And it's like 1 BHK only one person can live. So I put mirror. I'll do tinker this. This is much more easy and tinker this. This is difficult to visual. I guess my battery is draining. Okay. So here we go. Yahoo! Okay, let me show you the living room first. So like this was the sofa, the center table, so he can like keep whatever he wants for the guests and all. And I forgot to put a TV. This is like a plate with cup on each of them. This was very difficult. I had to like make small small cups, small small plates. Then this, you see this, I made one straight and one inverted this cone. You see here, like that. I made the four chairs, and then the bathroom here. You see this. This is the bathing tub, and then let me zoom out a bit. This is very good. Yeah, this is the basin. like hand wash. Inside, I made a drawer. You can keep your toothpaste and all of these. This is the bathing tub. Here, mirror because it's one BHK. Then here, I made the kitchen. You can store things in this, two things. This is like the gas, and this is the rest of the things you can keep here. This is the stair, and then for design, I made like a brick wall to separate the bedroom, and then this is the table lamp. I mean lamp table, so you can keep your books inside it and whatever. This is the bed. So this is pretty cool. I liked it a lot. Um, then there are many of my works people liked a lot, and one of them is this. So you can name it appropriately, like I named this one BHK house. Okay, my friends. So this is the school bus, party class, and I'll show you the rest in the next video. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can create whatever you want, and in the next video, I'll be getting more changes and I'll teach you how to create these Captain America shield as a tower. So you can learn all of them. This I've seen you numbers, guys. So you 1, 2, 5 is written. Here 3 is written, and then I made it wrong. Okay, this is keychain. Okay, this is like design a spanner. There's not a spanner like this, and you know this is normal spanner. Ring with a letter, and this is mom and dad. This is pretty cool. You know, you rotate it this way. You see dad. You do this, mom, then dad, mom. This is so good. This all is public, so you can go on Tinkercad, go to galleries, and then like designs. Wait a second. What's my username? This is Arav. So then I yes, there was a search option here. Now they removed it. Yes, there was a search option here. They removed it. Very bad. I could have searched by my name and I've got some. Yeah, you can search from here pretty much. Designs of people. You can search Arav, Arav, and then enter. You get all my projects. This are not mine. 3D designs. Here's mine. Oh my god, where's mine? Let me check. Search 1BHK house. 1BHK house. House. Wow, people click 3BHK. That's pretty cool, you know. Takes a lot of time and concentration. That took me about a month. Seriously, telling you. So you can search that and you can take them. So that's it for today.